everyone, my name is Sunny. I'm 9 years old. So today I will talk about exploring Earth and space. Okay, let's start. The sun. Let me show you the sun. Here it is, the sun. So here. Start off made of hot glowing gases. The sun is also a star too. It made of hot glowing gases. The sun is the closest star to Earth. This is why it looks bigger and brighter than the other stars. The sun is so big and bright that you cannot see all the stars during the day. And the next thing is, we need the sun. The sun is much larger than Earth. It looks small in the sky because it's very far away. 1,000,000 Earths could fit inside the sun. Oh, cool. Well, the sun is very important to life on Earth. The sun gives us heat, light, and people and animals need heat and light to live. Now let's talk about day and night. Here. This picture shows a line through the Earth. It is called the axis. But, well, it was imaginations. Well, this line is not real, and it's called the Earth axis. Well, Earth is always moving in a circle around its axis. Moving around the axis is called a rotation. Each day, Earth makes one rotation. So, well, day and night will happen because Earth rotation. For somehow, well, the part of the Earth where you live faces the sun. Here is the sun and here is the Earth. And where you live faces the sun. Then it's daytime for you. For somehow, the part of the sun where you live faces away from the sun. Okay. And it is nighttime for you. Why does the sun move in the sky? Since, well, it looks like it is real move in the sky. You can see. Well, but it does not really move. Earth turns on the axis and move in and out the sunlight. This makes seem that the sun looks like they are moving through the sky at daytime. In the morning is when the sunrise is low in the sky. We talk about the sun coming up here. They were coming up. And it is low in the sky. We talk about sun coming up, but really, well, the part of the Earth where you live moving into the sunlight. Well, in the evening, it looks like the sun is moving down. Yeah, it's moving down. But really, the part of the Earth where you live moving out of the sunlight. Well, the sun does not go away. It shines on the other side of Earth. You just cannot see it where you live. Now let's talk about season. Here, let me show you that. Here, the 4 seasons. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 seasons. So, well, Earth is tidal on its axis. Earth also moves around the sun. It took 1 year for Earth to move all the way around the sun. Earth pass around the sun is called an orbit. Earth, when the part of the Earth where you live toward the sun is summer or maybe spring. When the part of the Earth where you live away from the sun, well, you may have winter or fall. The night sky. Ooh, let's talk about stars. The sun is a huge star close to Earth. This is why you can see the sun in the daytime. You can see the other star at night. They look smaller than the sun because they are very, very, very far away. People make up story about stars. Imagine a line connecting group of stars like a game of connect the dots. Each picture they saw is called constellations. Now let's talk about the moon. Ooh, this is really cool. Here, let me show you the moon. And even the daytime you can even see the moon. Look, this is the moon. And here, this is not the sun. This is the moon during the daytime. Wow. And here on the moon is a big crater. There's a rock crashing onto the moons. The moon is the brightest object you can see in the night skies. Sometimes you can see the moon in daytime too. The moon has deep crater. The crater is a big hole, while large rocks from space crash into the moon and make crater. The moon also has mountain too. The moon change. Here, the sun goes around the earth goes around the sun, and the moon goes around Earth. The moon change. Earth moves in an orbit around the sun. Here the sun, here the earth. It moves around the sun. And at the same time, here the earth and here the moon. And the moon moves in an orbit around the earth, just like earth moving around the sun. It takes about 4 weeks for the moon to make one orbit around Earth. Ooh, 4 weeks. The moon looks like it's changing shape each night. Really, the moon always stays the same shapes. The moon always stays. When you see the moon from Earth, you're seeing light from the sun falling moon in different ways. Sometimes the moon looks like a circle. You're looking at the left side of the moon. But sometimes the sun only shines on a part of the moon. Okay, let me show you about that. Here, look. A little tiny, a bigger one, and half the moon, and the light of the sun fills the moon. Okay, let's talk about. Oh, this looks cool. Let's talk about the solar systems. This is the solar systems. Oh, the sun. We have Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Saturn, Jupiter, Uranus, and Neptune. Well, solar system is everything that moves or orbits around the sun. This includes the 8 planets and their moon. Earth is one of the 8 planets. It is first one. Look at a picture of the solar systems here. Can you find out where the Earth is? Here. Can you name the other planets? Can you find the sun in the middle? Yeah, we can find it. But here. And can you name the others planet? Like Venus, Mars, Saturn, Jupiter, Uranus, and Neptune. Thanks for watching my video. Thanks for listening. Goodbye.